Let's make a lava lamp. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is pour some water into our jars. You have your jar. Not oil. Pour the water in. Ready, Liam?
Okay.
Okay, you got some water there. Now, what color are we gonna use?
Okay. I don't know.
Okay, can you put color in?
You want to do both? No, blue. Wait, what
Let's do blue. Okay,
what
you want to do green?
Okay, I could use green.
Can I open that for you?
What does green and blue
Oh, you
mean?
got it.
What does green and blue make?
A dark color?
Like dark green? Wow, this looks kind of cool. It almost looks like slime.
And look, your brother is also watching.
Wow, that's kind of cool.
Okay, you got all the water in there? Did you mix it? The color, I mean?
Wait, how are we going to even mix it?
Mix the food coloring. Yours looks great.
Mine?
Both of you. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, John.
Now we are gonna put in some oil. About the same amount of oil, okay?
I'm gonna do it. How do you open? Okay, I'm gonna pour it in mine. Nope.
All right, a little more. That looks great.
Okay, I'm gonna do yours now, Liam. Where did you even buy this?
Okay, that looks great too.
Where did you even buy this junk?
And now, to make the lava lamp,
Where did
you're
you
going
even
to add
some that?
one of these. So open that up.
How do you?
Liam, can you open this up? No, open it up. Take it, open it. Take that pill and put it in the...
Oh, now I see how it
There we
works.
go.
What, is this the soapy thing?
Yeah.
Mama! I just can't wait and see if it...
What do you think,
Ew,
guys?
it smells like mint. I hate mint. Ew.
Is it bubbling?
Oh,
It's a lava toy. What do you think?
cool. Do we get to keep it?
Yeah, and you can put those like Alka-Seltzer pills in whenever you want it to activate.
It looks so cool.
That's what.
Mother, look at this lava lamp. Lava. What happens if we put more lava?
What do you think will happen when you put another one in?
I don't
Do you think you'll get more bubbles or less
know.
bubbles?
More bubbles.
More bubbles.
That's how we make more lava.
Look at the bubbles. The bubbles. More. Yeah. Guys, what do you think of that one? Was it an easy one?
Easy peasy lemon.
But pretty cool, huh? Should we make another one, a pink one?
Yeah, but
Okay, let's do
this
it.
looks like a cool one. This looks
Yeah, you put 3 of those in. Let's see how much more bubbles you have compared to Liam's.
Mine looks
Wow.
super cool. Mine's
Let's do a pink one. Okay, I
Yeah,
just gotta
let's do a
find
pink
another container.
I already did 3 inside mine. That's so cool. Hunter, do you like your experiments with lava lamps? I never seen lava lamps.
What color are you gonna do on this one, Henry?
Blue. Since blue's my favorite color.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a funny one.
Why? Nine.
There you go.
Hey! Oh, thank you.
There's your water.
Grandma, why are you in a butt?
Because it was from a place that had that as a joke.
Okay, I did all of
Okay, great. Now put your food coloring in, boys.
it. Okay. Ooh, food coloring.
What you achieve between high school and retirement will define you. Start your undergraduate journey.
All right, Liam, are you gonna put the pink in?
Or our small class
Okay, let's get it in there.
There's more one-on-one time with each
Yeah,
student.
let's get it in there.
And it works. 94% of graduates are in favor of
Mommy, look what I'm doing.
See the list of
Oh, good job. Here, you need help opening? Here you go.
Wow, now I'm gonna pour in the
Put that in
oil,
there.
Naomi.
Yes, now you're going to put the oil in.
Can you give me the oil?
Okay, here, Liam. Let's just squeeze some out. There you go.
Why is it a butt? Kids, look at this, a butt.
Should I zoom in?
Butt. Oh!
Here, Liam, we're gonna make the lava lamp. Oh, I have to get a couple more of those Pepsodent. Okay, now you're gonna put some oil in after your brother.
Is that good?
I think that
It
looks
looks
pretty
bubbly.
good. Awesome.
I'm gonna put some little more in. Now it looks more bubbly. Wow, that's super cool. Can I put some in yours? Yeah. Oh, no! Whoa! I put a lot in. Grandma! Oh! We have to fill it.
Okay, guys.
We have to fill
Here,
it.
look, I have lots of
Guess
these.
what, Grandma?
Start opening some.
Guess what?
What?
We put the whole thing. And it's almost a half deal.
Wow. Okay, let's get some of these in there, huh?
One for Liam and one for me.
Let's do more than one. Here,
yeah,
wanna put
that
them
would
in?
be so.
What if we broke it up? You think it would work better? Let's put it in there.
I'm gonna put all of these in. Where did you get all of these?
Yeah, you
from?
could. I actually got those from Grandpa's dad.
Really?
Yep.
Wait, how did Mommy?
Look,
Why
look
did-
at the lava lamp. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it works really well if you break them open. If you just break them in half. It works really well.
Yeah, almost. Oh!
Look at that.
Mine
Let's
almost
zoom
looks like a
in.
wave.
Let's zoom in. Look at
Why
that.
don't we just do one more? I want to do a lot. I like this experiment.
Awesome. Show your glass.
Look, kids, look, a whole thing. Did you see the butt?
Yeah, unfortunately, that was a glass from Vegas.
A Vegas
What can I
butt?
do?
You went to Vegas?
I have been there, yes.
I want to go to Vegas. How far is Vegas?
About 3 hours from us.
How far is Hollywood?
An hour?
An hour away.
Mm-hmm.
So Hollywood is closer and Vegas.
About an hour from us. Do
Do
you know where we live?
what?
What's our city?
California.
That's our state. What city are we in California?
San Francisco.
We're not in San Francisco. That looks neat.
San Bernardino.
Yes.
Can we
San
do
Bernardino. No, it's cooking oil. Kids.
Thanks for watching, kids. Have a good day. Please X drive. Bye. X drive.